A developer just quoted $8,000 to build a single app. I did the same thing. No experience, no code, in under 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And 3 ways you can turn this into real money. And one of them almost nobody is talking about yet. This is Abacus AI Deep Agent. And if you've been waiting for your moment to get into the app building industry, you just ran out of excuses. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on AI tools before everyone else knows about it and how to make money with them as well, be sure to sign up to my free newsletter. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to sign up now completely for free. But before I get into the demo, I need to explain something that most people misunderstand about what's happening right now in the AI world. Because this isn't just a cool tool. This is a fundamental shift that decides who gets to build the software from now into the future. And it has a name. It's called vibe coding. Now, I know that sounds like a buzzword, but stick with me for 30 seconds because this actually matters to normal people like you and I. Vibe coding is simply this. Instead of learning for years and years how to write Python and JavaScript and code, you write a simple sentence in plain English, and that's it. Just like you're texting a friend, and AI builds it for you. No debugging, no Stack Overflow, whatever that means, and no developer ghosting you for an entire week. You just describe the vibe and the app appears. Just normal people are doing this every single day. Abacus AI Deep Agent is a vibe coding software for normal people who are not techies. If you can describe what you want, you can build it in less than 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour to have a perfect working application. And what I'm about to show you is going to make that feel very real. I'm going to show you the demo in a second, but I'm also going to show you something that most people completely skip. And that's 3 powerful ways to start making money with this type of software today, including one that has nothing to do with being a developer or freelancer. So stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss this. Here's what Deep Agent actually gives you. AI-powered app creation. Like this, you can create your own Notion app or your own clone of X. Anything you want that's inside of your imagination, you can create with Deep Agent. You type what you want and you get a working app. Not a template, not a drag and drop mockup, a real functional app. Fully functional mobile apps. We're talking actual apps that work on phones, not just websites that shrink down. Live shareable URL. The second your app is built, it gets a link. You can share it, test it, send it to a client, make money with it, go live instantly. Put it on your own domain and it looks completely professional. And nobody knows you built it in 10 minutes. There's database and Stripe integration. This is the big one. Your app can store data and take real payments. This is not a toy. This is a business tool. And all of this, plus Chat LLM and Abacus AI Desktop, is only $10 a month. $10 to build and launch apps. Let that sink in for a second. Okay, let me just show you because I can talk all day about this, but you need to see it. So I'm going to type one sentence. Make me an app clone of Tinder. I'm going to press enter and watch what happens. So I'm not doing anything else. I'm just hitting enter. This right here used to be a $5,000 conversation with a developer. Weeks of back and forth, revisions, invoices waiting, and now 10 minutes later, guys, and we literally have our own application that's similar to Tinder. This is the minimal viable product that you need to start selling these to business. I mean, you could obviously make it more intricate if you want, but check this out. It's called Flame Match. It even named it for us. It gave us our logo. Let's sign up. Okay. Johnny Tube, info@gmail.com. Create a password. Let's do Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. Okay. Create account, but it's a full working Tinder app. Okay. I like you. Don't like guys. Like you. Nah. Bam. Oh, so awesome. Like we literally have our own Tinder, guys. This is the beginning of whatever you can imagine. It doesn't have to be Tinder, obviously. You can make apps for local businesses and solve problems like accountants and lawyers and doctors and dentists and gym coaches. And the sky is the limit with this, guys. This Tinder application literally took 10 minutes to make. Literally 10 minutes to make. 10 years ago, this would have taken a year and possibly $100,000. Now, all it takes is $10 and 10 minutes. You're good to go. You can start a brand new full-time AI business. app building business. Okay, I get so excited. I stutter. App building business with Abacus Deep Agent. Here's where it gets really interesting. Building an app is cool. I mean, you can impress your friends and family and whatever, show off online. But what good is having an app if you can't make money with it? Here are the 3 powerful ways to start making money with this today. And number 3, I think, in my opinion, is the best, hands down. Let's get into it. Idea number 1 to make money with apps is selling it on Fiverr and Upwork. So if we scroll the app development section, you'll see the prices that these people charge. It is crazy. And the reason they charge these high prices is because they built applications from hand. They've studied years and years to write Python and CSS and JavaScript, all of this code in order to build a working application. Look at this, guys. The basic, $4,000. Standard, $8,500. Premium, almost $13,000 for premium because they build it all by hand. You, however, have access to Abacus Deep Agent. You can build an application in under 10 minutes and charge whatever you want, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. People are hungry for apps. Business owners all over the world need apps to solve their problems. You can be that person who solves problems for them. What's the worst thing that can happen, guys? You pay $10 a month for Abacus. You build an app for a business. You charge 1,000. You might not sell it within the first month, but what if you get that first sale? That first review, and you get the second sale and the third sale and the fourth. Oh my God, you can start a full-time business. It's so crazy to think about, guys. You don't need, look at this, $1,000, $1,200, $4,800. You don't need a college education anymore. It's 2026. These people who have learned code for years and years, they're just, their coding experience is irrelevant now. Anybody, a normal person can make applications. Look at this, $7,500 premium, $12,000 for application. Look at this, guys, 45 days. I stutter. I get so excited. The opportunities are endless. 45-day delivery time. You can deliver an application in under a day. And I think that's your selling point. If you put I stutter, I can't talk. I'm so excited. If you put an application service, building service on Fiverr or Upwork, and you advertise in your title that you can build and deliver an app within 2 to 3 days or within a week, you stand out amongst your competition. Because nowadays, everybody wants things right now. In the age of TikTok and YouTube and Facebook, everybody wants things right now. So if you can build an app, a working app within 1 to 2 days, guess what? You have clients forever. The second way to make money selling apps is to sell them to small business owners in Facebook groups. Now, the reason why we're targeting small to medium-sized business owners is because these people need your help. They run small businesses and they work 16 hours a day. And by the time they get home, all they want to do is collapse on the couch, drink a beer, and watch Netflix. If you've ever been a small business owner, you know that you need as much help as you can get. So check out these groups, guys. Small business owner, restaurant. I don't know why I said restaurant. I must be hungry. Small business owners, entrepreneurs. 1 million members. Small business owners, entrepreneurs, 120,000 members, 123,000, 90 posts a day, which means these groups are super active. Check this out. Scrolling down, there are millions and millions of members on Facebook. Now, if you only work with 3 businesses per month and you charge them $3,000 a piece, that's $9,000 per month just from building applications that took you 2 hours to make. Let's visit one of these. Let's actually go into the belly of the beast. Okay. Look at this, guys. 17 comments. Look at how active these people are. 156 comments. These types of groups are super, super desperate for somebody like you to solve problems for their business. Look, 285 comments. So basically what you do is you join these Facebook groups, you give massive amounts of value, and you put something like this inside of the post. I am an app builder who helps local small businesses create any app they want and solve problems. I can create an app for you for free, just so you can see how much value I provide. DM me if interested. That's all you need to do, guys. You get people in the door with a free trial. And once you provide value, you charge them. Imagine if you posted this in, let's say, 20 groups and you got 10 messages per day or 10 messages per week. All you need is 2 clients per month. Join as many groups as you can. Put this message in the groups. I mean, obviously you want to give massive amounts of value, but put this message. See who bites. You don't even have to sign up for Abacus first. Just put this message in the group. When people start sending you a message, sign up to Abacus, pay the darn $10 a month and start your own business. Quit your fucking job. I know you hate your boss. I know you hate your boss. I do. I hated my boss for many, many years. Guys, look at this. 4,500, 7,000, 8,500. If you're a dreamer, if you're a believer, jump in now. Start your own business, live your dreams, work on the beach with your laptop, drink margaritas and get drunk at 3 p.m. Who cares? Life is short. Let's get into it. The third idea to make money with this is to sell apps to local small businesses. Now, you're not going to be contacting them through Facebook. No, you're not going to be contacting them through email or even putting your services on Fiverr or Upwork, like we saw here. What you're going to be doing is in your area, you're going to be walking into businesses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Johnny, I don't want to walk into businesses. I'm not sociable. I don't like talking to people. I don't like looking people in their eyes. And that's okay. I think most people don't. But hear me out. The hardest thing in business, usually, most of the time, makes the most amount of money. People nowadays do not walk into businesses and sell services because they have email, they have Facebook, they have DMs. Most people are sending cold DMs and cold emails, which means that local business email inboxes are flooded on a daily basis. If you're willing to do the hard work, which by the way, if you get used to walking into local shops, local businesses, if you get used to it, you get used to talking to business owners and saying, listen, I can create an application for you. The return on investment is exponential. The conversion rate for walking into local businesses is exponentially higher than it would be if you're sending cold emails because you're building trust. You're looking people in their eyes and they're feeling your vibrations and your consciousness and your existence inside of their personal bubble. They're feeling the trust. The trust barrier is broken down extremely fast. So if you go into local businesses and you say, listen, I can build you. And by the way, according to ChatGPT, there are 34 to 36 million small businesses in the United States as of the latest estimates. How many small businesses are in your personal area? Like in your town, in your city, there's maybe 100, 200, 1,000. If you walk into 50 businesses in one day, you suck it up. You say, I'm going to do this. I don't care if I'm an introvert. I don't care if I'm a hermit. You walk into businesses. Walk into 50 businesses, talk to 50 business owners, and you close 2 or 3 deals at $2,000, $3,000 a piece. That's $9,000, $10,000, guys, in a day. You don't have to work for the entire month. Suck it up. Go to businesses in one day, talk to business owners, and close some deals. It's okay if you're shy, but just do it. Do it anyways. Push it through it. Push through your fear. If you close 2 or 3 deals a day, imagine if you close 2 deals a week at $3,000, that's $6,000 a week, guys. You don't have to work anymore. You can work for one day and go on vacation for the rest of the month or go lay on the beach for 29 days out of the month. I know I'm simplifying it, guys, but this is what it is. This is what I do. I don't work anymore. I get so passionate about this. Every single day of my life feels like a vacation. Damn it. And I don't say that to brag. I say that because I know there's people watching my video who fucking hate their job. It's okay, guys. It's okay. But it's not okay if you've been at your job for 5, 10 years and you're still struggling and you're still miserable. She looks happy, by the way. You're still struggling and you're still miserable and you're not doing anything about it. That's when it's not okay. Just change. You don't have to quit your job, but just start this business. Just sign up to Abacus, start building apps, put your name out there, start posting on Facebook groups, start walking into local businesses and make a full-time job out of it, guys. I promise you, walking into local businesses, offering this application, you might not get any business at first, but eventually if you keep at it, you will start getting clients and you'll start your own AI business. Your life will change almost immediately. And look, I want to be clear on who this actually is for. And you might be watching this video thinking to yourself, oh, okay, cool, we're building an app, but I'm not a tech person. This is who this program is built for. Students, freelancers, business owners, side hustlers, people who had business ideas who never had the technical skills to execute them. The barrier just got removed. There's no excuses left. If you can describe what you want, you can build it. And that's the whole thing. And listen, if this video got your brain going and you want to stay ahead in everything AI, including how to make money with the latest and the greatest AI trends, tools, and news, be sure to subscribe to my free newsletter, which breaks down everything you need to know in the AI world on a weekly basis in a simple step-by-step fashion. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join now completely for free. Abacus AI Deep Agent is built for normal people like you and I to unleash our creativity onto the masses. If you want to check it out, guys, it's only $10 a month. It's the cost of a Starbucks coffee. Click on the link in the description to join now, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.